Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In case you're new here, I'm Crescent Philly. Today we are going to be doing a cut crease eye look makeup tutorial, which I'm super excited for. These are the products that I'm going to be using today, plus a mirror right here. So guys, let's start. The very first thing that I'm going to be doing is priming my face using this black opal primer, and the reason I'm starting with this is because I realized that when I apply the primer first and let it dry, my foundation application is very seamless and there are no like flakes things. I don't know if you guys understand, but yeah. The next thing guys, I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm using this spoolie and this Davis number 11 eye pencil to fill in my brows, and then later on I will mix it with a black eye pencil. The reason I mix these two is because I don't want it to look so light or so dark. Clean up my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this Elegant Pro Concealer and this small brush. This Elegant Pro Concealer is light than my skin, or it's light than my shade, so I'm using it to clean my eyebrows halfway, and then on the inner corners I'm going to be cleaning my eyebrows using my shade of foundation so that it can look more natural. Feel me? The foundation, as usual, is Milani Matte Liquid Foundation.
Yo, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch.
On the inner corners now, we look a bit natural, and then on the upper side of my eyebrows, I usually use foundation for seamless blending. Can you guys see any difference? Let me know in the comment section.
Out here moving borders, now we ain't getting posterized. We out here making posters and we ain't got nothing to hide. We move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh. Fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Same us for the way up. Play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise I won't quit.
Our eyebrows are done, and so far so good. So the next thing I'm going to do is to apply the Elegant Pro Concealer all over my lids so that I can clean up the lids for seamless application of the eyeshadow.
With pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves as a side.
I went ahead and did the same thing to the other eye, so right now I'm just buffing.
Trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety we make.
For the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this Miss Rose palette and using this shade as a transition color, and then mixing it with this like darker shade and then applying it at the same place, mixing them together, that is.
Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never, and turn your mind into the truest of go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
And guys, it was at this time that I was like, girl, are you sure this cut crease is going to go along? But I was like, you know what, we got this.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts
I'm using the Elegant Pro Concealer again to cut the crease.
up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough.
This cut crease is coming along, guys. I have never done this type of cut crease before and I'm liking it. I'm going to apply this purple shade on our clean cut crease and then applying the shimmer color in the inner corners.
I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret and frenemies. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature.
I'm applying this black eye pencil as eyeliner and then brushing it off with a brush.
That the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear,
For mascara, I'm using this 2-in-1 mascara.
like the end's in sight for me, but
And now for the fun part, the eyelashes. I'm using these Nude eyelashes. This is the part where I just feel like I'm in a competition with someone because eyelashes, girl.
they tell me that I'm never
After eyelashes, I'm cleaning up this part and you can see how professional it's turning to be when cleaned up.
I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me.
What I did to my right eye, I also did to my left eye off camera, and boom.
Settle and do the right thing, so get a good job, don't slack.
I'm tapping my face to check if my primer is dry, and now we are going in with foundation.
Making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every
Guys, look at our face, girl. We are killing this. And for my waterline, I'm using the eyebrow pencil in black. You guys, tell me if I don't look cute.
but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
This is after setting my face with a setting spray. I'm using this shade to highlight my face. And look at that. Oh, the highlighter is highlighting, and adding this color as blush. On my lips, I'm applying Vaseline, and then I'm going to use this Huda color in the shade 19, and later on I'm going to mix it with matte sleek lipstick in the shade 90. I'm still going to use the same shimmer color to add some highlight on the V shape of the lips. And girl, if I tell you, this look made me feel like I don't want to clean it up later on the day. Baby, we are looking so cute, we are looking so sleek. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.